Good morning, dear students. Welcome in Strength of Materials. So today we're going to switch on problems. Okay, so how to solve problem of EMI? We'll see. So see, we have one problem. A rectangular section has width 40 mm and depth 60 mm. Determine MI, M for moment, I for inertia of it. Of it means rectangular. Okay, so what they have given? See, they give, so it is very important to write given data. Okay, so see, a rectangular section means, now my dear students, so draw one figure. So one rectangular section have with us, one rectangular area have with us. Okay, according to the statement, and it has width 40 mm. Width means it has base 40 mm. So this is what width. So they have given what width. Okay, width sometimes we can call it by B, small letter B or W, but in the book they have given what B, so we have to use what B. Okay, so sometimes we have chance to use W also. Okay, no doubt at all. So see, my dear students, a rectangular section, we have a rectangular section and it has width, how much mm? 40 mm width. So width means B. Okay, so this is what width, horizontal. Okay, so then and depth is what 60 mm. Okay, so this is what depth means height. Depth means height, or sometimes it is called a thickness also. So it is denoted by D. Okay, so this is what depth, and depth is how much 60 mm, and this is what small b, width is how much 40 mm. So width have with us what, how much 40 mm, and depth of this rectangular bar how much 60 mm, and they want to calculate EMI. Okay, so calculate EMI. So we have chance to calculate EMI about XX, or we have chance to calculate EMI about YY. So out of these two, calculate any one. So calculate EMI about XX. Okay, so see, you know very well, we have what XX axis to this section, we have Y axis to this section. This is what XX and this is what YY. Okay, so see, my dear students, to calculate EMI about x axis, so we have a formula, BD cube by 12. It is very important. These are the what empirical formulae already have with us. Okay, so what is the formula to calculate EMI? BD cube by 12. If it is what about XX, if it is what about YY, if you want to calculate this is about YY, so we have a dB cube by 12. dB cube by 12. But you have to calculate this is with the help of, supposed to be assume about XX. So calculate it about XX. So see, what is B, how much value of B have with us here? 40. So B have with us here 40. Then D 60. But here having a cube of this 60, so make it. Then we have divided by 12. So if you are going to calculate with the help of calculator, it is very simple calculation. So from numerator side we have 40 into 60 cube, and divided by at denominator side we have 12. So if you are doing calculation by calculator, so you will getting answer of this 7.2 into 10 raised to 5 mm raised to 4. Okay, so this is what very simple problems. Sometime they will going to ask in our board exam for 4 marks. Okay, so this is what EMI about XX. So in this fashion you have to calculate what EMI of a rectangular section. Okay, my dear students.